So this is AB. AB is a 16-bit. DB is a data bus, is a 8-bit. Clock frequency of 8085 is 325 megahertz. As address bus is 16-bit, so address starting from all are 0-bit is for binary, all are 0 and then all are 1. Okay, then all are 1. Every memory location can store 8-bit data, so 2 to the power 16 into 8-bit, so 2 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 10 is byte. Then this is a 64 kilobyte. So data bus is 8-bit. So D0 to D7. Address bus is 16-bit. It's A0 to A15. It's dividing into the two part. A8 to A15 is called higher order address bus, and A0 to A7 is called lower order address bus. Lower order address bus. Higher order address bus and lower order address bus. And this is data multiplex with the data bus D0 to D7 and create AD0 to AD7. It's clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Next. Next is the register. In 8085, whatever the register is available. Register, you know what are the function of register? Can you tell me? With any example or something like that? What are the function of register? Bolo? Tell me.
सर डाटा स्टोर करता है टेम्पररी. डाटा स्टोर करके रखता है टेम्पररी.
Temporary data store karta hai. Is very good, and the data which are recently to be used. This is A, this is F, B, C, D, E, H, L. Next is SP and PC. This is 8-bit. This is also 8-bit. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
These two together called PSW. Full form? Program status word. Full form program status word, right? It's clear?
Yes, sir.
BC together called BC register pair. DE together called DE register pair. HL together called HL register pair. Sir, so how many register pair is there? And what are the names? Bolo? How many register pair? BC, DE and HL. Okay. How many register pair? BC, DE and HL. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And PSW also. PSW full form? Program status word. Program status word. Now I have a queries, So what are the length of the register pair? What are the BC register pair? What are the length? How many bits? BC, how many bits? Tell me.
Sir, 16-bit.
16-bit, very good. So register pair is nothing but a 16-bit. How many? That is BC, that is DE, that is HL. There are 3 register pair. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There are 3 register pair. Another is there that is called PSW, full form program status word. Sir, what are the length of SP? What are the length of SP? Bolo?
16.
16 bit.
16 bit. Very good. Sir, PC?
16 bit.
16 bit.
16 bit. Very good. Another 2 register 16 bit, that is PC and SP. PC is full form program counter and SP is full form stack pointer. PC is full form program counter and SP is a full form stack pointer. PC is a full form program counter and SP is a full form of stack pointer. Next, my another queries, that is what are the function of A and what are the function of F? A is called accumulator. Accumulator, just like your money purse. Any transactions, any addition, subtraction, anything you want to do, it should be done through accumulator. Without accumulator is not possible at all. Any additions, any subtractions, anything else you want to do, it should be done through accumulator. Without accumulator is not possible. Next, 8-bit register of F. 8-bit register F means it's a, flag register. What are the functions of flag registers? Flag register is nothing but a just used for the status. Like, say I want to add 2 numbers like AB plus CD. Whatever the answer? Whatever the answer? Tell me. कितना आंसर होगा इसका? मैंने तो कराया है ये वाला बहुत बार.
$178, sir.
178. Sir, what is B plus D? I need a pad. Get a pad though. B plus D means how much? 24. Okay. B plus D is 24.
Yes,
So 24 minus how much?
16, sir.
16.
16. Very good. So result is 8. 8 will be put over here. 16 means 16 to how much? 1. 1 coming here as a carry. So after that, auxiliary carry flag will be set. After that, auxiliary carry flag will be set. Okay? Means AC flag will be set. Sir, इधर carry आया है? Huh? This is called carry. 1 is called carry.
Yes, sir.
So if this carry or borrow is occurred, then carry flag will be set. Then carry flag will be set. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello. Yes, tell me. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So AC is 1 and CY is set. Okay. So now if carry or borrow occurred, then carry flag is set. Next, what are the results, sir? Result is 178 or 78? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. बोलो. बोलो बोलो. What are the function of, what is the result over here? कितना है result?
178, sir.
No, not 178. Result is a 78. Carry is 1. So convert into the binary. Convert into the binary. So that is 111 1000. How many ones, sir?
4.
4. So the number is odd or even?
For even.
Even. So you know depend upon the number of 1, it's odd or even, parity flag will be set. Means if this number of is 4, if it is odd, it is odd, means odd number of 1, then p flag will be 0. If it's a even, then p flag will be 1. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Sir, again repeat करिए.
Sir, what are the result? First tell me what are the result?
78.
78. So this is a combination of 78 in binary.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, sir.
This 4 is odd or even?
Even, sir.
If odd, then parity flag is reset, then even, then parity flag is set.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Number of 1, if is odd, then parity flag is reset, or if set, then it will be, it should be even, then it will be set. If it is a even, then it will be set. Say over here 4. 4 is a even number or odd number?
Even, sir.
Even.
So parity flag will be set over here. Okay, this is a parity flag. This is a flag register of 8085. This is C white stand for carry flag, P stand for parity flag, and AC stand for auxiliary carry flag. 80 পয়সা করে ওইরকম 1 টাকা 80 কম। Is it clear? Number of 1, if it is a even, then parity flag is set. If number of 1 is odd, then parity flag will be reset. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next. say AB minus AB, what will be the answer? क्या आंसर आएगा? एक ही ना सेम नंबर से सेम नंबर सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे हैं. 5 minus 5 क्या होगा?
0 sir.
0.
In that case, Z flag will be set to 1. That is called zero flag. Z flag is set. Write down this one. Write down this one. एक questions देखने का जरूरत नहीं. You just write down the answer. Then see the what are the number of questions and just put it down in the number. Okay. It's clear. It's clear to you.
Yes, sir.
So zero flag is Z is nothing but a zero. Zero flag is set or reset. Zero flag is set or reset. Depend upon the result. If result is 0, then Z flag is set. If result is not 0, then zero flag is not set. Okay. Say you have 7F. What are the binaries? 7F? 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, right? Okay. This is called sign bit. This is called sign bit. This is called sign bit. If it is a 0, then it's a positive number. Okay. If it's a 1, then it will be represent negative number. Very good. So 7F plus 1, what will be happened? It will be 80. What will be the binary of 80? 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. If result greater than the 7 bit, it will be affect the bit 8. जो 8th bit है, जो MSB bit है, उसको affect करेगा. If result greater than the 7 bit, it will be affect the 8 bit. If result greater than the 7 bit, then sign flag will be set. S flag will be set. Then sign flag will be set. Is it clear? Then sign flag will be set. Is it clear to all of you? It's clear?
Sir, repeat again.
If result greater than the 7 bit, ये देखो 7 बिट के अंदर रिजल्ट रहेगा, जो 8 बिट चेंज नहीं होगा, तब मैंने साइन फ्लैग रिसेट रहेगा. जब ये रिजल्ट 7 बिट से ऊपर 8 बिट में चला जाएगा, मतलब ये बिट 8 को इफेक्ट करेगा, राइट? तब साइन फ्लैग सेट हो जाएगा. देन साइन फ्लैग विल बी सेट. इज इट क्लियर? देखो पहले क्या था, 7F मतलब क्या था? रिजल्ट जो था इस 7 बिट के अंदर था, नंबर क्या था? पॉजिटिव. जब भी इसको 1 बढ़ाया 80 हो गया. अब कौन सा बिट के इफेक्ट किया? बिट 8. बिट 8 मतलब ये साइन मैग्नीट्यूड के नंबर के हिसाब से पहले पॉजिटिव था, अभी नेगेटिव हो गया. इसीलिए साइन फ्लैग विल बी सेट. इफ रिजल्ट ग्रेटर देन द 7 बिट इन 8 बिट ऑपरेशंस, then sign flag will be set. If result greater than the 7 bit in 8 bit operation, then sign flag will be set. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
अभी लिखो, हेडिंग करो फ्लैग रजिस्टर बोल के, ये वाला लिखो. पहले इसका डेफिनेशन लिखना पड़ेगा हर एक का. इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एग्जाम में आएगा ही आएगा. साइन फ्लैग रजिस्टर लिख के ये वाला बीट लिखो पहले. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट हेडिंग करो CY. फुल फॉर्म क्या? फुल फॉर्म बोला अभी? कैरी फ्लैग. राइट डाउन कैरी फ्लैग. Remote আছে ভাই। Is it clear? Right, carry flag. If carry or borrow occurred in any arithmetical logical operation, if carry or borrow occurred, if carry or borrow occurred in any arithmetical or logical operation, if carry or borrow occurred in any arithmetical or logical operation, if carry or borrow occurred in any arithmetical or logical operation, then carry flag will be set. Then carry flag will be set. Otherwise reset. Then carry flag will be set. Otherwise reset. Otherwise reset. Carry flag is set means carry flag is 1. Carry flag is set means carry flag is 1. Carry flag is set means carry flag is 1. Carry flag is reset means carry flag is 0. Carry flag is reset means carry flag is 0. Carry flag is reset means carry flag is 0. Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Next, P. Full form?
Parity flag.
Parity flag. Very good. Parity flag. Write down. If the result of in any arithmetical logical operations, if the result of any arithmetical logical operation if the result of any arithmetical logical operation is if the result of any arithmetical logical operation have even number of 1, if the result of any arithmetical or logical operations have even number of 1, then parity flag have even number of 1, then parity flag will be set. Then parity flag will be set. Otherwise reset. Then parity flag will be set. Otherwise reset. Then parity flag will be set. Otherwise reset. Okay.
सर अदरवाइज के बाद क्या बोले?
Otherwise reset. 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 Otherwise reset. Flag bit is set means flag bit is 1. Flag bit is set means flag bit is 1. Flag bit is reset means flag bit is 0. Flag bit is reset means flag bit is 0. Flag bit is reset means flag bit is 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Next is AC. Full form?
Auxiliary carry.
Auxiliary carry flag. Write down. Auxiliary carry flag. If carry generated in lower nibble, NIBBLE. If carry generated in lower nibble, that will be passes into the higher nibble. That will be passes into the higher nibble. that will be passes into the higher nibble. Then auxiliary carry flag will be set. Then auxiliary carry flag will be set. Then auxiliary carry flag will be set. On the other hand, it can be say. On the other hand, it can be say. Carry generated in D3 bit. Carry generated in D3 bit. That will be passes into the D4 bit. That will be passes into the D4 bit. That will be passes into the D4 bit. Then auxiliary carry flag will be set. Then auxiliary carry flag will be set. Then auxiliary carry flag will be set. Carry generated in D3 bit. Carry generated in D3 bit. D3 bit. That will be passed into the D4 bit. D4 bit. Then auxiliary carry flag will be set. Okay? Otherwise reset.
Yes.
Flag bit is set means flag bit is 1. Flag bit is set means flag bit is 1. Flag bit is reset means flag bit is 0. Flag bit is set means flag bit is 1. Flag bit is reset means flag bit is 0. Okay. Next Z. Heading करो Z. Z means क्या नाम है इसका?
Zero parity.
Zero flag. Exactly. Write down zero flag. Write down zero flag. Write down zero flag. If result of any arithmetical or logical operation, if the result of any arithmetical or logical operation, if the result of any arithmetical or logical operation is 0, ZERO, zero, then Z flag will be set. 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 Otherwise reset. Flag bit is set means flag bit is 1. Flag bit is set means flag bit is 1. Flag bit is reset means flag bit is 0. Flag bit is reset means flag bit is 0. Next S. Full form sir S flag का?
Sign flag.
Sign flag. Very good. Sign flag. If the result of any arithmetical logical operations if the result of any arithmetical and logical operation if the result of any arithmetical logical operations more than 7 bit so its effect bit 8 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 then sign flag will be set otherwise reset flag bit is set means flag bit is 1 flag bit is set means flag bit is 1 flag bit is reset means flag bit is 0 flag bit is reset means flag bit is 0 flag bit is reset means flag bit is 0 flag bit is reset means flag bit is 0 is it clear to everyone
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
it's very important it's a very important एग्जाम में आएगा ही आएगा एग्जाम में आएगा वाइवा में भी आएगा it's very important flag register so how many 8-bit registers available over here sir 8-bit registers how many please mention the name A right B I am not F not assuming because F is a flag registers I cannot use flag register directly A B C D E H L is it clear
Yes, sir.
these are the 8-bit register what are the full form of SP
Stack pointer.
stack pointer PC
Program counter.
Program counter.
program counter function of SP write down SP heading karo SP what are the function of SP what are the function of SP write down क्या होगा उसका functions heading करो SP full form stack pointer अभी लिखो this register used to store the top of the stack address this register used to store the top of the stack address okay this register is used to store the top of the stack address Okay. Top of the stack address. Is it clear or not? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Top of the stack address. Next, PC. Full form, sir. Program counter. Heading karo program counter. The next instruction to be executed. The next instruction to be executed. The next instruction to be executed. The address of the instruction. The next instruction to be executed. The address of the instruction stored into the PC. The address of the instruction stored into the PC. That is the function of program counter. 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 Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So SP and PC is done. So
Sir.
all the registers I'm explaining today, right?
सर
Yeah.
फिर एफपी एक बार और बता दिए ना फिर मतलब कि लिख नहीं पाए थे
SP is hyphen देकर लिखो stack pointer. The top of the stack address. The top of the stack address. Store into the stack pointer register or store into the SP register. That is the function of stack pointer. That is the function of stack pointer. That is the function of stack pointer. Okay.
यस सर
Next, heading karo pin configurations and function of each pin. 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 Pin configuration and function of each pin. Done?
यस
Yes,
सर
sir.
लिखो पिन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन फंक्शन ऑफ ईच पिन बोल के तुम 40 पिन का डायग्राम इंटरनेट से डाउनलोड करके लिख लेना। याद करने का जरूरत नहीं है, मगर 1 से लेकर 20 एंड 21 से लेकर 40 ये पिन का नाम सारा लिखना चाहिए। ओके, हो जाएगा?
यस
Yes,
सर
sir.
नेक्स्ट राइट डाउन। इसके लिए जगह छोड़ दो, नेट से देख के लिख लेना, गूगल में मिल जाएगा, इट इज अवेलेबल इन द गूगल। सो राइट डाउन all the pins or signals are classified into several group. Are classified into several group. Those are as follows. Those are as follows.
सर एक बार फिर से बोलिए.
All the pins or signal, all the pins or signal are classified into several groups. Those are as follows. Those are as follows. All the pins of 8085 are classified into several groups. Those are as follows. Those are as follows. Those are as follows. Write down all those things you are written. Everyone is done.
Yes, sir.
Number 1. Address bus. A is the address bus. A is the address bus. Number 2, data bus. Number B, data bus. Number 2 is a data bus. Okay. Number 3, power supply and frequency signal. 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 Done. Power supply and frequency signal done.
Yes, sir.
Number D. Number D is control and status signal. Control and status signal. Control and status signal. D complete.
Yes, sir.
Next E. Interrupt and externally initialization signal. Interrupt and externally initialization signal. Interrupt and externally initialization signal. And the last is serial IO port. Serial IO port. Serial IO port. Serial ACRIAL. Serial IO port. Or IO signal. Serial IO signal. Whatever you write. Serial IO signal. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So these are the group. So first क्या है? A is address bus. Heading करो address bus. Heading करो address bus. In 8085, 16 address lines available. 16 address lines available within a first bracket A0-A15. Within a first bracket A0-A15. A0-A15. Those are classified into two groups. Those are classified into two groups. Number one, lower order address bus. Number one, lower order address bus within a bracket A0 to A7. Number two, higher order address bus. Number two, higher order address bus within a bracket A8 to A15. Within a bracket A8 to A15. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Lower order address bus. Lower order address bus are time division multiplex. Are time division multiplex. Are time division multiplex with data bus. Time division multiplex with data bus and create multiplex address oblique data lines and create multiplex address oblique data lines and create multiplex address oblique data lines within a bracket AD0 to AD7. AD0 to AD7. As data bus unidirectional in nature, therefore AD0 to AD7 unidirectional. Sorry, bidirectional. क्या बोला एक बार बोलो? Data bus
As data bus unidirectional in nature.
Sorry. Data bus bidirectional in nature. As data bus bidirectional in nature, therefore AD0 to AD7 is bidirectional. Is bidirectional. Next, as address lines unidirectional in nature, therefore unidirectional in nature, therefore unidirectional in nature, therefore A8 to A15, therefore A8 to A15, that is higher order address bus, that is higher order address bus, that is higher order address bus, unidirectional. Okay, full stop. Everyone is done?
Yes, sir.
Next, B तक किया है sir? What is the B? B में क्या है?
Data bus.
Data bus. Heading करो data bus. In 8085, 8-bit data bus available. 8-bit data bus available. Eight-bit data bus available. Those are Those are bidirectional in nature. 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 Data bus are time division multiplex with address bus. Data bus are time division multiplex with address bus. With address bus and create AD02, AD7 multiplex address oblique data lines. 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 Is it clear, everyone? Everyone has got it?
Yes, sir.
Next, sir.
Power supply and frequency signal.
Power supply and frequency signal. Route down. Heading karo power supply and frequency signal. First one, subheading I means 1. VCC connected with plus 5 volt DC power supply. Connected with plus 5 volt DC power supply. Connected with plus 5 volt DC power supply. Ground. Connected with ground. Ground connected with ground. Ground connected with ground. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, this is 2. Number 3. Actually 3 and 4. X1 and X2. X1 and X2. X1 and X2 connected with crystal. Connected with crystal. Connected with crystal. Okay, bol ekhane se boste. Connected with crystal. Okay. Connected with crystal. Next, note. If a microcontroller connected with X megahertz crystal, X megahertz crystal, if a microcontroller connected with X megahertz crystal, is it clear? If a microcontroller connected, if a microprocessor or 8085 microprocessor connected with X megahertz crystal, if 8085 microprocessor or a microprocessor, if a microprocessor connected with X megahertz crystal, then effective, then effective clock frequency, then effective clock frequency will be x by 2 megahertz. Then effective clock frequency will be x by 2 megahertz. What does it mean, sir? मान के चलो एक 8085 microprocessor connected with 6 megahertz crystal. 6 megahertz crystal. Then 8085 will be working in 3 megahertz frequency. In 3 megahertz frequency. If it is connected with 8 megahertz crystal, then its clock frequency or its effective frequency will be 8 by 2, that is 4 megahertz. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So actually, if x megahertz, then it will be x by 2 megahertz. So how many pins done today? Till now? कितना पिन हुआ है सर? बोलो कितना पिन हुआ है? एड्रेस बस डेटा बस मिला के कितना हुआ? कितना पिन हुआ एड्रेस बस डेटा बस मिला के?
24, sir.
नो 16 सर.
16, sir.
16 बिकॉज ये तो मल्टीप्लेक्स हो गया ना, ये तो तुम्हारा एक ही साथ हो गया दोनों AD0 to AD7. समझ में आया कि नहीं आया बोलो? AD0 to AD7 के अंदर एड्रेस बस भी रह गया, डेटा बस भी रह गया, तो 8 और 8 हो गया तुम्हारा 8 to 15. तो टोटल मिला के 16 पिन हुआ. इज इट क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
और
Yes,
उसके बाद
sir.
क्या हुआ? 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 pin is done today. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Next, whatever the next heading. Number D.
Control and status signal.
Heading करो control and status signal. Heading करो control and status signal. First and number in 8085 several control and status signals are available. Several control and status signals are available. Those are as follows. Those are as follows. Those are as follows. Those are as follows. Number 1. ALE. ALE. Okay. हाइफन देकर फुल फॉर्म लिखो. एड्रेस लैच एनेबल. Address latch enable. Full form is address latch enable. Is it clear? Address latch enable. Used to demultiplex address oblique data lines. Used to demultiplex address oblique data lines. When ALE signal will be high, when ALE signal will be high, in that particular time, AD0 to AD7, AD0 to AD7.
सर फिर सर रिपीट कीजिए ना स्टार्ट से.
When ALE signal will be high, full form ALE is address latch enable, used for demultiplex address oblique data lines. Used to demultiplex address oblique data lines. When ALE signal will be high, in that particular time, AD0 to AD7 act as a 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 address bus. AD0 to AD7 act as a address bus. AD0 to AD7 act as a address bus. Rest of the time maybe act as a data bus. Everyone done? Can I proceed?
Yes sir.
Next, WR bar. WR bar. Full form right bar. सर बार होने से क्या होता है सर? बोलो. What do you mean by bar? बार होने से क्या होता है?
सर एक्टिव लो सिग्नल.
Very good. Active in low signal. Write down. When this signal goes low, memory write or IO write operations will be performed. When this signal goes low, memory write or IO write operations will be performed. When this signal goes low, memory write or IO write operations will be performed. When this signal goes low, memory write or IO write operations will be performed. Okay? When this signal goes low, memory write or IO write operations will be performed. Clear? It's done.
Yes sir.
Memory write or IO write operations will be performed. IO write full form. IO full form input output. IO is right like that. Okay. Next number 3 is RD bar. What are the functions of RD bar? क्या होगा बोला? WR बार तो मैंने लिखा है एकदम सेम टू सेम होगा.
ये
RD
रीड
बार हाँ बोलो.
रीड बार हो.
रीड बार होगा. अभी डेफिनेशंस क्या होगा? जो मैंने
When this
लिखा है,
signal goes slow, memory read or IO read operations will be performed.
will be performed. Will be performed. Very good. लिख लो. When this signal goes low, memory read or IO read operations will be performed. Next is IO oblique M bar. IO oblique M bar. Is it clear? IO oblique M bar. Done? Write down. Sir, IO full form?
Input output.
Sir, M full form?
Memory.
मेमोरी. वेरी गुड. तो क्या होगा सर? जब लो होगा तब मेमोरी ऑपरेशन, जब हाई होगा तब इनपुट आउटपुट ऑपरेशन. इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
When this signal goes low, memory operations will be performed. When this signal goes high, input output operations will be performed. Input output operations will be performed. Is it clear? Input output operation will be performed. When the signal goes low, memory operations will be performed. When the signal goes high, input output operations will be performed. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Number 5, actually 5 and 6, S0 and S1. S0 and S1. These two are the status line. These two are the status line used for various operations of 8085 microprocessor. 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 Is it clear? Used for various operations of 8085 microprocessor. Clear to you? It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. This is S0, S1. What are the S0, S1 I am written?
These two are the status line used for various operations of 8085 microprocessor.
Exactly. Various operations. Those are as follows. Those are as follows. Those are as follows. Those are as follows. Just make a table. IO oblique M bar, then S1, then S0, then operations. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1. Operation I am not right over here now. Whenever I am explaining you the timing diagram, then I will be written what are the functions and how the functions is going on. Because if I am written anything, you are unable to understand now. So just make a table. Operations part I will be explained in the later on. Okay.